If you need any FIFA 19 Ultimate Team coins, check out mulefactory.com. They're cheap and reliable, very fast service, and also use my discount code iHaz5 when checking out to get a decent discount. What is up? Welcome to episode number 8 of Trading to 1 Million Coins. Again, thank you all for the support on the channel. The time of recording this, we've basically hit 89,000 subscribers, just 11,000 more to go to the dream, that 100k mark. So if you guys are still enjoying the series, make sure to smash a like on this video. Also, the pinned comment from last video was sent in by the gaming script, and he said, "My man put a boogie bomb in the thumbnail." Yep, I did. If you didn't see yesterday's video, check back on the channel, or there's a link to the playlist at the end. There was a boogie bomb in the thumbnail. But heading over to the console, we're at 185,000 coins. There is this one bronze card who might sell by the end of the series. Who knows? But in this video, I'm basically going to go over some possible investments to make. I've had people wondering, like, when will I do some investing? Like, I've got 190,000 coins. So it's probably, I could probably invest about 85k, maybe 100,000 coins of my balance in this video, because I don't really need too much. I'm not at that stage yet when I can start the icon trading, because for that you need about 400k. But I'm about halfway there to that. So these investments are basically basing just good players in general, but a lot of it is more towards the actual September player of the month. So if you did not know, the Lucas player of the month did come out. I believe it was only a couple days ago. I can't even view anything on it. But basically it will expire, and the start of next month, actually it might even be out this month, but the September player of the month should come out in October. I'm not sure when this month it will come out. Basically, once this player of the month expires, we'll be getting the September player of the month soon after. And if you're wondering who it is looking like to be, I'm 90% sure it's Eden Hazard. Also, I'm a Chelsea fan, so I'm a little bit biased. But the second player I would put there would be Raheem Sterling. I believe Hazard scored 5 goals, Sterling scored 3, and he did get 2 assists. So the cards we'll basically be looking to invest in. One, so for Hazard, it would be Chelsea players, Belgian players, Premier League. Those are usually the safest investments. Previously, EA have done SBCs where they require their past teams, that sort of stuff. But to be honest, they've already done that once or twice for the players. I think they'll have to do something new. So basically, it'll just be higher rated players. And for Sterling, it'll be Man City, England, and then Premier League again. So in this video, I'm going to go over a couple investments. Then I'll probably off camera, I'll cut one, I'll pick them all up. And then at the end, we will go through what I've bought and the reasoning behind it. So again, if you want another sort of investing guide, let me know in the comments down below. Maybe I could do these every 2 weeks or so. So then we can get prepared for the next big SBC. There are the marquee matchups you can invest in for every week. However, this week I'm already a bit late because they'll come out in a couple days. So today is actually a Tuesday, so tomorrow this team of the week will actually go out of packs, which does mean they will begin to rise. So team of the week, yep, I know. So starting off, there's a couple players who are quite obvious, but a lot of people have already begun investing in them. So the first guy, Potm, Premier League, goalkeeper, 84, in form. There's not really too much else to say. He has decent stats on his card as well if people actually wanted to use him. But it's just that this 84 rated Premier League, he isn't even worth that many coins. You can pick him up under 20k. So it's quite hard. There's 16,000 coins on the check. He's nearly minimum price. And he's an 84 rated inform goalkeeper. So if there's a challenge where you need a Premier League player and an inform, check could go. If you need an 84 rated inform, he could be a decent investment. I feel like he's a safer investment to make because it doesn't cost that much. But I do feel like the profits won't be as good unless you're going to buy a load of his cards. Say you're picking him up for under 16. Say you're picking them up for about 15,000 coins. He's not really going to drop under that just because he's an 84 rated inform. I'd say he'll go up to 20, 25k, maybe. It depends. If it's 84 rated inform from the Premier League, he could go up to about 30k in the hype. But yeah, check. Decent, safe investment. Along the same lines, we have Matip here. So his stats on his card, he's a bit slow, so people might not want to use him. But this FIFA pace doesn't matter that much, but decent defensive stats. On the market here, he is a bit more expensive than Cech. He's about 17,000 coins or higher. I feel like Matip, people might use him a bit more because it's a defender. Maybe people go for some informed centre-backs. He's a big player. He probably is quite good playing like with him on FIFA. But again, 84. If you're going to go for the Premier League inform, I would say take Cech over Matip because they're both the same rating. Cech is just a bit cheaper. But yeah, he's a bit more inflated in price. So those are the two like main obvious ones. Here, a bit more expensive is Gundogan. So his stats on that card are unreal. I'm surprised not that many people even use him. Like 86 rated, and he's worth like 65, like 70,000 coins. He's not actually too much. I can't really see him rising that much from Player of the Month because they're never really that expensive unless we're going to get like, well, the Hazard, it might be quite expensive. You might need an expensive Premier League team. But I don't feel like Gundogan would be needed in that SBC too much. I feel like, though, just his stats in general, probably one of the better centre mids you can pick up in the Premier League. And for like 65k, decent investment. I could see him going up to maybe 85, depending if he gets another inform card. But again, that's quite riskier. At the moment, I'd say Cech is probably the safer one. So this is an interesting one. Thomas Meunier. His stats on that card are crazy for a right back. One, he is Belgian, so Hazard SBC. And the big thing about that is, well, currently, we haven't seen the rest of the team of the weeks, but the only two Belgian informs on FIFA are Inform Hazard and this Inform Meunier. So basically, this card will rise up when people are realising it's Hazard Player of the Month. People will just buy the card in the hype. People will buy this card anyway because he has good stats, 84 rated. On the market now, he's about 62, 63,000 coins. So if you could pick him up maybe 60k on a snipe or on a bid, I'd say that's a decent investment. I can't really see this card going down in price unless he gets a new inform card or another right back with these sort of stats. But Belgian inform, unless we get another one, this is a very good investment. I can see him rising up to 75k easily, maybe even a bit more. So you're picking him up for 60k. They'll be about 75k, give it a couple weeks to be honest. So yeah, that is probably where I might put quite a few coins. Him and Cech are my main two investments. The other cards we have, Hernandez here, 84 rated, very good stats, but he is pretty expensive. I believe he's a right back. His default I don't think is actually a centre back, so he might be a bit expensive, but I'm not really too focused on that card here. The other players, we got Lucas Leiva, and 85 rated. He is only like 20,000 coins. So I guess if you need an inform card with a high rating, he is up there. Brazilian, we're not really going to get another Brazilian player of the month for a bit. We just had Lucas, so, well, there is a chance we could get here in November, but definitely not, for the October player, but definitely not for the September one. So probably don't need to invest here. But I would say Cech, decent one, very cheap. He's a safe one. And Meunier is like a decent card. Also, actually, there's a Bundesliga player of the month. EA have not confirmed if we'll be getting an SBC for that. But Zila here is looking decent. For the Bundesliga one, I'm not too sure who it would be. Probably like Royce or someone like that, to be honest. But yeah, Zila, he's basically just above discard price. Like 12k, 82 rated inform, German, Bundesliga. If there is a Bundesliga player of the month SBC or EA hint any details towards that, this would be the card to pick up. Say you have like 500, 600k, you might want to pick up a couple of his card just because it's a discard inform, but it might actually have some use if there's a player of the month for the Bundesliga. And I'd say that's probably about it for for the team of the week. However, there are a few more cards to look at actually just in the Premier League to make as investment. So if you want to cover all bases for basically anything, is Vincent Kompany. No, not Manolas. We want to head over to Kompany because if you know football, which you probably will if you're watching this video, Kompany is Belgian and he plays for Manchester City. Also, he's 85 rated, so he is worth a lot. Like 11,000 coins for this card. Basically, 100% he will be used in the SBC unless EA just throw all of the links to the card out the window. But by people investing anyway, if you invest early, the prices will rise even if they aren't used. Like, sell in the hype. You don't have to wait and risk it. So you pick up some companies. I can see him going to 15k, 20k maybe if he's used. But yeah, like 11,000 coins. I'm going to pick one up right. I can't even buy that one. I can't even buy that one. His price is already rising up. Like 11k, there's none. 11,250, yeah, 10.7k. Good investment there. So there's one live investment I picked up. Picked up that company. But yeah, I'll probably spend about 80,000. I'm going to get another one for 11k. But yeah, company, again, one of the safe ones, 85 rated. I'd say the only way you would lose money on company would be if you didn't sell in the hype and then SBC did drop and you didn't need Man City or Belgian players. And the Premier League squad, you didn't need that high rating. So then, company, check. Those are the safer ones. And the last player to look at for an investment is Bernardo Silva. So in the Premier League, if you want a high rated right mid, there aren't really too many options you're going to go for unless you're going to be paying like a lot more just because it's like a decent player on FIFA. So Bernardo Silva, he is 84 rated, plays for Manchester City, like 2.9k he is at the moment. I believe he's already, I swear I've seen him for like 2.5k yesterday. Like he's already gone up like over 3,000 coins. So I might wait until like there's some packs tomorrow or something to pick him up. But yeah, 84 rated, plays for Man City. If you need a Premier League team and you're going to pick up a right back, he is your go-to if you need like an 82 plus rated squad. So he's a decent investment. What I would say now, invest in the inform cards today because they do go out of packs tomorrow. Company, I'm not sure. I don't think he'll change too much in price due to the packs tomorrow. But Bernardo Silva, people open team of the week packs. He's risen up a bit today. Like I saw him at 2.6k, so I might wait until like tomorrow or I might look in the morning to see if I can pick one up. But you want to pick them up under 3,000 coins if possible. Like 3.1 isn't the end of the world. I can see him going up to about 5,000 coins. So you can make some decent profit there. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to try and get like some snipes or something. Just pick up some alright deals on the cards I am investing in. You may as well snipe them to make the profit even better. And then I head back to you to see what I did manage to pick up. Okay, so I spent a bit more coins than I was expecting, but I still have 33,000 coins. Most of my trading, to be honest, is sniping with lower like value players. So I should still be alright with making coins. It will just mean that I won't be able to pick up like 100 cards at once without selling them on. I'll just have to sell cards as I go on. But these investments, some of them might even rise up quite shortly anyway. So I picked up 2 monies, 2 companies and 1 check. So the companies I got for 10.7k and I got for 11,000 coins. The check card I did pick up for 15,000 coins. And I was sniping the monies. I was like, I couldn't really snipe to make a profit, but I got them cheaper than the buy now. So I got one for 57k and I saw one for 58,000 coins. So already I could probably sell those on for about 62k. Like he is starting to rise anyway. I'll probably, like, it'll be about 65k probably tomorrow when he goes out of packs, maybe 70k plus. It's like investing is risky, trading is risky I guess as well. I have to wait and see. Worst case, I could just sell them what I lose and then I'll lose like 5%. Like worst thing that happens, all these cards they crash and I lose like 10k. It's all chill. So I don't know, let me know your thoughts on the investments as well. Tell me if you've invested in any other cards on the market. And what do you guys want to see in tomorrow's video? I might have a double upload. I think I'll have a video going up earlier and then a video going up in the evening. So stay tuned for that. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you did enjoy. And I'll see you on my next video.